Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand transloader commercial type washer. You can see the machine. This machine I'm going to show you today. I'm going to train how to test this machine. Otherwise any other LG machine having, all the washing machines having qtest, otherwise test mode. In this machine also having a same test mode, otherwise qtest. I'm going to show you how to test this machine. At the same time we can find out all the mechanical devices, electronic devices, everything we can find out it's whether working or not. Also if it is any damage we can find out the error symptom also. Now I'm going to test this machine and we will go to the test mode. Now I'm going to show you how to test this machine. It should be the LQC1. This is the setup mode. Now I'm pressing hot, this one hot button I'm pressing. At the same time this will come test. It's already came test mode. After that I have to press start button here. Here again it will come LQC1. Again it will come to the setup, that's means setup mode LQC1. After that I have to press again one time start button here. Here all the lights will blink. You can see here the door already got locked. You can hear the noise. I think it is all the LEDs are now blinking. Now I'm pressing one time. After that it will tumble drum, it will rotate clockwise up to 40 to 50 RPM. Now I will press again. Now you can see here machine drum already rotating clockwise. You can see here it's RPM, it will show up to 50 only. You can see properly, it is only showing 50 only. And I'm pressing again, that's mean third time it will come up to 600 RPM. I will press again, high RPM it will show. You can see the drum. Now it will come here 60, that means 600 RPM. Still 59 is showing, that means 590. Now it's already came 600, that means 60. 2 digits only we can identify. Now it is only the maximum RPM it will show in this situation. 600 only. I will press again, it will come 1150 RPM. That's been high RPM. You can see here. Now increase in RPM. Now I have to press 5 times. Fifth one, its water inlet water valve will realize. At the same time it will show frequency 255 frequency, and I will press again. Now you can see here it is frequency already showing 255. That's mean main inlet valve, it will open. Water will come after stopping drum rotate. You can see, you can hear the noise. Already water coming here. That's mean this is the 5th time. If I am pressing 6th time, it will come hot water. Also the same frequency. Now it is frequency, it's showing 250, 251, maximum is frequency 255 only. Now again I will press the 6th time, the same frequency it will come, it will realize. You can see here it is hot water line. Now again I will press 7 times. It will realize bleach inlet. You can see here it is the same frequency. Now you can see here it's water coming. Here it is the bleach inlet. The same frequency will show. Now I will press again 8 times. At the same time inlet valve for automation turn on. It will come water level. Frequency it will the same. It will be the same. Now you can see the frequency as same. It is 240 up to 255 it will show. Now I am selecting, I am pressing 9th time now. This is the 9th time. At the same time, what will happen to the machine? Tumble control clockwise up to 40 to 50. It will clockwise, it will rotate. Now you can see here with the water it's rotating. If any defect while we are pressing 4, 5, 6, 7, it's already inlet valve related already inlet valve. Because of that, if it is any problem with that's when inlet valve defect, at the same time it will show error message here, i.e. If it is door lock, it will come door error. Like that, any defecting item with this machine, at the same time it will show error message. Now we have to press 10 times. At the same time, circulation pump inside having 2 pumps are here. Circulation pumps it will start. This is the 10th time. Now I press already. Now you can see here it is already circulation pump already got start. Now I have to press 11th time. At the same time drain water will drain. That's when pump will realize. You can hear the noise. Water going outside. That's when drain pump realize already. 11th time pressing. Now I have to press 12th time. At the same time all the LEDs it will come blink. At the same time it will show here TUXX. It's like that. I will show you. Here this one appeared. This is the 12th time. Now I have to press 13th time. This is all the button. It will disappear here, LED, but here only it will show wash, rings and spin. Also door lock only. The 13th time. When I'm pressing 14th time, it will run maximum RPM. That's mean high speed 1002 this machine, 1150 it will show. Now you can see here 0, here up to. You can see the machine rotating control anti-clockwise. You can see here 1000, it's already came 1150 RPM. Now I have to press 1 time. After that it will complete my test mode. At the same time, this is the 15th time. It will show IR. In this machine actually this function not available, but after pressing again it will go to the next setup mode. I will show you now. You can see here. Now again I have to press 1 time. I will wait until getting stop in a drum. That's mean motor. Yeah, now already got stop. Now I will press again. Here you can see again it will came to the setup mode. This is the way how to test this machine. At the moment with this machine, no any problem, no any defect item. Because of that not occurring, not show any error message. and I think you know how to activate, how to test this mode with this machine. Now my explanation is already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly.